from force. That seminar happened. And you are also in that seminar. And the principal has asked me to talk to you on her behalf. Because I wanted to follow up and understand how the school is faring since that seminar.
Okay, thank you. There has been a significant change in behavior and also in terms of performance, because the students were able to figure out their challenges and their problems regarding to the kind of work they have been doing in relation to their discipline. So when they improved on discipline, now they were also able to improve on performance. Because initially our students were not very active, they were not having a very good study habit, but in a good number have improved on study habits.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, at the same time, the principal had acquired our 2 books titled, quite a number of copies of our 2 books titled Career Dynamics in the 21st Century and Living Beyond Survival. I don't know whether you have been able to go through them or also help students.
I have looked at them. I have not really read all of them, but I have looked at them and they are good. Our students are also using them. Yes.
Okay. I know the Form 4 class is about to do exams, and I'll still come back to find out how they have fared. By the way, I have learned from other schools that your school is very popular in this area. People come from even as far away as 40 kilometers away to come to a day school because of the performance. I also learned that your mean grade is 5.7 just before I conducted the seminar, and I want to imagine that there will be quite some significant improvement this year once the exam is done. I'll still come to find out.
We are hoping so, because we are targeting a mean of 7.5.
Wow.
And we hope that we are going to achieve that.
Have you?
Now that if the discipline level can be maintained as per it is, because performance and discipline is very it is related. It is a direct proportion to performance.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm encouraged by your feedback.
Yes.
And the only thing I can ask you is, what advice would you give other guidance and counseling teachers like you or principals about our books, about seminars?
What I would do, I would encourage other schools to invite especially motivation speakers like we did, so that they can try to empower our students. Generally, you find that students sometimes they listen more to the guests who are invited from outside than they do to our teachers, because they are used to them and they think that maybe they have been talking to them too much. But when you come and tell them the same thing that we tell them, they take it more seriously.
Okay.
So they tend to hold on to it because they are hearing it from someone else other than us.
Okay.
Although they also listen to us. However, I also request other schools to be inviting such personnel, so that the discipline, the students can realize themselves and they can work hard for better performance.
My final question is this. The students are speaking their own language based on the empowerment process that they went through. What would you make of the teachers? I mean, what of the teachers? Do they not benefit from the same seminar like other schools in your area?
It is beneficial. I am aware that there was one in Ndururumo, and we shared with them, and we also anticipate that we shall also be supported.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you very much for sharing with the neighboring school. We also enjoyed the seminar, but this time for teachers.
Yes. I
look forward to your school also inviting me to conduct, or ourselves to come and conduct the seminar for teachers, so that you can all talk the same language in the school.
We also want to thank you very much, and God bless you for even trying to doing something extra to help our students and even trying to improve our school need. We are hopeful that we shall be calling you so many times, because as they exit, others are coming. so we shall be calling you oftenly.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you. You are welcome. You can invite me anytime.
Thank you.
So as long as you give me notice, I'll still be coming. Thank you. And
Yes.
please continue following the report that I gave
Yes, I
after
got
the
the
seminar.
report and they are good.
Thank you. Thank you. Hiya, thank you.
Asante.
Let me go back to Nairobi. As I go back to Nairobi, I'm going back to Nairobi a happy person because I have been given positive feedback from all the schools that I have interacted with in Laikipia.
Thank you.
Thank you so
very
much.
Karibu sana.
Okay.